Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the DAX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So let's see what's going on the DAX here. In the all-time history, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse towards the upside finished wave 1 or a wave A. Of course, this wave A is a zigzag since it has started in an impulse and you're looking to 3 corrective wave in both case scenario to finish wave 2 or a wave B. After this, we see, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, continuation of this zigzag or of this impulse for a wave 3 or a wave C. In case you are in a wave C, this is your 1, 2, this is your 3, 4, and you're looking at a wave 5 toward the upside. If we take a closer look inside this area, we are looking at several accounts here on the daily chart for this wave 5, where we see, of course, a potential 1, 2, and you're looking at a wave 3. Potentially, you finished your wave 4 as expected before, between, of course, the fib levels of a wave 4, 0.38, 0.5, which it is, very, very good position for a wave 4, I would say. Even if it did not touch 100% the 0.38, but that is more than enough, of course, for a wave 4. Now, basically, in this case scenario, I'm looking towards the upside continuation, unless, of course, we still have something to unfold here. Since we saw, of course, the DAX moving toward the downside massively, that could be also kind of an impulse, which is actually today invalidated. Awesome. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and then your wave 4 went up back to the zone 1 here, interfering with it. So it is a total invalidation for this, of course, impulse. Therefore, I can say that this correction was deep enough, and of course, it might move towards the upside with a recovery. And by touching, of course, the 1-to-1, the wave 1, sorry, that means, of course, this low will not be taken anymore. And whatever is going to happen in this area, of course, this low is the bottom, I would say. And then, of course, we are looking toward the upside. Now, let's dive deeper a little bit to see what is unfolding inside this area. We are looking potentially at a zigzag as well, A, B, and a C toward the upside. And we're looking for a wave B here after wave A, and potentially a wave C unfolding as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Or it can be, of course, something like an ending, a diagonal, in case we see the price interfering with the zone 1 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But the idea here is that you have a zigzag. Unless we can see something else, yeah, it is a zigzag, guys. Yep, so these are basically the what we are looking at. So potentially we have A, B, and a C. Your wave C has to be here, 1, 2, and you're looking at a wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave C. Potentially the targets are the following here. Based on the wave B, we have a zigzag between 23K and 22K, I would say. Of course, we already reached it, by the way, here. So we reached it, of course, in wave 3, which it still can be higher, and then getting 4 and a 5. And with this wave 5, it's going to reach, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level here, which it can be, of course, unfolding a zigzag, a bigger zigzag, of course, for a potential leading diagonal. I would say, it can be. It can be a leading diagonal unfolding as well. And potentially as well, why not being in leading diagonal just like that? So that is also a possibility, guys, to be, of course, watch for the next price action. And that means, of course, if you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, you would like to see, of course, a finished as well wave 1 as leading diagonal, then wave 2, then wave 3 continuation and recovery for the DAX. Yep, so basically those are the counting for the DAX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.